Today I'm here with more of the Zombie Forevers. Hopefully I don't get the same one like I did last time. Or all three of these be the same ones. But we'll see what happens. Again, I found these up at Walmart. I don't know if they're new or not new, but I liked them, so I decided to buy 3 more. See if I can get some different ones. Even though I cannot get these open very easily. I'm trying not to tear up the coffin too much, since that's reusable apparently. There it goes. Got the checklist again. Let's try. So you start off with the stickers. Like always. This has the card in there, so I'll save that one for last time. Remember that from doing it. So we'll open up these. Which has a little stand in it and their accessories. So, this one is definitely not the same one as I got last time, which is a plus. There we go. So, the little stand with a little skeleton back again. I'm guessing that's what it is. You have arrows, and a heart shaped with some chocolate in it. See what this one is. Seems like it'd be interesting. And you have a little number. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the inside of the coffin looks really neat. Or I think it does anyways. Then here's the little zombie herself. And I found what the arrow is for. You put it just like that. And chocolate's just like that. So I do like her, which as always her hair comes off because you can mix and match them. And I love her little heart-shaped eyes. Okay, so let's see what her name is. I'm sure it's on the checklist. You want to be careful opening this so you don't tear the card. Her name is Lovestruck. Her little card that you can again put right like that. There you go. That way you know which box is which. And since I have her sitting right here, I'll just put Lovestruck on top of Morning Glories. I'll put Morning Glory right there next to Lovestruck. Or Morning Workout. My bad. So these two over here. Sit that right there. I don't know why I called her Morning Glory. I think that's a flower, actually. Could be wrong. Again, the little checklist. Oh yeah, that number that comes with all of them. Then you got the stickers. the little people and the, again, number that comes with all of them. And the little inside of their box. Which I do like the box designs there, the little skulls and everything. Pretty neat. So I'll start with the stand and stuff again. Because it does look like, just judging by the stickers, that I got different ones. That's cool. It got a little pink stand as opposed to the clear stand like the other two do. So, you got yourself the little pink stand here, a little dress, and a little axe guitar. Which should probably really go like that. Okay. Oh, she is cool. So. Oh, yeah, here's the little zombie before you put her in her little skirt. Little punk rocker looking zombie. That's what I'm going to call her anyways. But else can tell me in the... Well, the card will tell me anyways. But I do like her. Then you have her guitar or bass or whatever. I'm going with guitar. Even though I cannot get it to hook back on. That's what I don't like about these, is it's hard to hook back on, but actually got it on backwards. Oh well, I'll fix it later. So here's her stand. Said I'll fix all that later. She has little lightning bolts for her eyes. So, let's see what her name is. Her name is something. Does this package ever come up? Rockin' the Peace. There's her little card. Again, neat little punk rocker there. Or just rocker. Maybe she's heavy metal. I don't know. And then the last one over here. Which, that tape came off a lot easier than the last one have been. That or maybe I just have operating issues. Possibility. So the little stickers. Card. You know what? So I don't struggle with this. Whenever I get to it, pop it open. Not even look at her name or anything, just lay it down. That way it's already open. Start with the stand and the little design or little accessories. Apparently she came with a extra foot. Maybe she's missing a foot, I don't know. Maybe I'm not even... Then, skirt. Whoops. Purse, or handbag, whatever you want to call them. And a purple stand. Let's check, see what she is. And of course that little number down at the bottom of the coffin. So here she is with her money signs on her face. So she's probably expensive. Has expensive taste, I should say. I'm fixing to figure out what her name is here in 1 second. Let's put her all together and see. But I do like all these little ones, so. Like all of them, her hair does come off so you can see the brains, which has the little bows and diamonds and pearls in it. Or pearls and bows. That's neat. Then you have her handbag. I don't know why she has another foot. I don't know what the other foot's for. Doesn't look like it goes to anything with her. Oops. Maybe it's just there. Or maybe the picture would tell us. Okay, so her name is Shop Till You Drop. And I like her. Like all these, actually. So I'll probably be doing a few videos on these whenever I find them. So, yeah. That was the Zombaes Forever. And I got Shop Till You Drop this time, Love Struck, and Rockin' Peace. Like I said last time, I got Morning Workout. Like her as well. Probably out of the 3 that I got today, my favorite would probably have to be Rockin' Peace. That would be what I would think. But anyways, I'll catch y'all next time with the next video that I do.